Hi, I'm Eric with Home Network Central, and I'm going to show you how to add a static IP address to a device on your Netgear Nighthawk R6700 router. First, you want to make sure you're connected to your device either on Wi-Fi or with a wired connection. Then you open up your favorite browser and type in the IP address of your router. The default IP address is 192.168.1.1. It'll ask you for your credentials to log in, and once you're logged in, you go to the advanced menu. Then you go to setup over here, and then you go to Lan Setup. Once you're on this page, if you already have your device connected to this router on Wi-Fi or on a wired connection, if it's already connected, it makes it really easy to add a static IP address. You go down to the bottom here and you go to Add. Then on this page, it'll show you the devices that are connected to the router. All you do is select it. It already has an IP address, and when you select it, it puts all this information in here. Then you go to Add, and now it adds this device down here. So every time this device with this MAC address connects to the router, it will always use the same IP address. And once you're done, make sure you apply the settings to make sure it adds all the settings to the router. After you click apply, it's going to update the settings and restart the router. Once it's done, it takes me right back to this page, and you're done. You got your static IP address assigned. It's reserved in DHCP. So on your device, you can still leave it under DHCP, and it'll automatically connect to this IP address because this IP address is reserved for your machine. So that's all you have to do. I hope that helped you out. If it did, please give me a like on this video. You have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.